When we broaden our definition of success, it allows us to stop robbing ourselves of all these things we've talked about today, the peace, the clarity, the joy. It allows us to understand that there is a fullness in all that we experience. How many things are you doing in your life that you're negating them because you haven't allowed them to fit in this narrow definition of success, when remember, none of us in here had even defined success, right? But as much as we hadn't defined it, we did have these unrealistic ideas that we were pushing our lives into a box that said we weren't successful. When we really broaden our definition of success, this is my picture. What is your picture?